Greetings, SAT fans. All right, so this is worksheet 3 in Heart of Algebra. All right, so let's take a look at number 9. Basically, this is very similar to a lot of other problems. You're solving for A, but remember, this is key here. They want to know what 1 over A is. Super, super important you guys understand that. So I'm going to cross multiply, which is the best way to solve this, the problem. So if I cross multiply, I get 3A plus 2 is equal to 11A. And then I could move the 2 over and then the 11 on the other side, but why not just move the 3A over? And again, you see me writing minus 3A both times. If I would actually be doing this, I'm showing you the work, but if I would be doing this, I would actually just write minus 3A in the middle. Or just look at it and subtract 3A. Okay, save a little bit of time. Right? So I end up getting 11A is equal to, or 8A equals 2, and then divide by 8. So A is equal to 2/8, which is 1/4. Now again, here's 1/4, math fans. Okay, be careful. All right, if they're asking you 1 over A, so you're basically taking the reciprocal of that, and so 1 over 4 is the same thing as 4 over 1 or 4. So the answer is B. Okay, watch what they're asking. This is, I see this happen so many times where you get what is the value of 3A or 1 over A as opposed to just, hey, what's the value of A? Okay, so like this next one, number 10, they're asking the value of P. That's pretty straightforward, right? So I am going to just add 1 to both sides, and I get 5 parentheses P minus 1 is equal to 1. That's over 4. Okay, and then I can cross multiply. Now I could have multiplied everything by 4 initially. That would have been okay as well. Kind of your call. So if I cross multiply, I get 5 parentheses P minus 1 is equal to 4. And I'm going to divide by 5. I get P minus 1 is equal to 4/5. I'm going to add 1 to that. And if I add 1 to that, I get basically 4/5 plus 5/5, right? That's 1 is 9/5. And so my answer is D. And that's just asking for P. Okay? All right, so the next two problems, these are inequalities. The only issue that I have with the inequalities is when you divide by a negative, you got to switch the direction of the inequality. It's so important. Now in this case here, I don't get to 1 yet. I will eventually, but not here. So 3W is less than 27. Super easy. Divide by 3. W is less than 9. Okay? So D. Very straightforward. Okay. Number 2, kind of the same thing. Again, I'm not going to rewrite it. I'm just going to subtract 2 from both sides. So I get 6t is less than 24. And divide by 6. So t is less than 4. Okay. So now they're asking then which is the possible value of t. Now here's the deal for this one is people right away they see this guy because they're like, oh, t is, they see the 4 here. Okay, but be careful. It's less than 4, so 4 is not an answer. So which one's a possible value? 3.5 is the actual answer. Okay, which is A. Okay, which one is the possible value of t? Okay, so this, you just have to be careful of this versus this. This includes the number, this doesn't include the number. Okay, that's it, math fans. Adios. Goodbye.